What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be going over my perfect model, which is the liquidity flow model. And it's a high win rate, low risk to reward strategy. And that's actually how you're going to milk the absolute shit out of prop firms, is a high win rate, low risk to reward. Now, if you don't believe me, you can look up the Monte Carlo simulation. It pretty much describes how high win rate and low risk to reward strategies actually work in renting prop firms. But we've made well over six figures in the last year trading this exact strategy. It has about an 80% win rate, sometimes even more. Usually not less, but on a bad month, it could range from about 70 to 80. And yeah, we're going to jump straight into it. I don't want to bore the shit out of you. This is going to be a quicker video. I want you to get in, get your knowledge, and get out. And if you're interested in learning this model directly from me, I will say I have a 7-day free trial to my live call VIP mentorship. I'll leave a link to that down in the description. And I also have a video on the institutional framework, the psychology that goes behind this model. I'll leave that down in the description as well. So let's get into it. I don't want to bore the absolute shit out of you guys. So just for example, right? This is how the market moves. Make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, yada yada. You get the gist. And at these points, we create fair value gaps. We create a fair value gap there, fair value gap here, fair value gap here. Now, these sharp edges right here, these are all points of liquidity. You got a point of liquidity here, point of liquidity here. And what theoretically we want to see the market come down and do, it's very, very simple. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Sweep out this point of liquidity and get some type of displacement to the upside. But I'm going to show you why my model is so incredibly simple, but yet so effective. I'm going to show you that in a second. But just know that we're looking for a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then we're waiting for the market to come back and tap into one of these higher time frame fair value gaps while sweeping liquidity. And I'm going to show you the displacement strategy, entry strategy that we use for this model. Now, this model right here is very simple. You've seen it a lot. It's pretty similar to shit that you would see with ICT, smart money concepts. What makes this strategy so effective is essentially the filter that we put into our minds to view the markets in this way. And I'm going to get right into the charts because I really don't want to bore you guys. I want to get you in and get you out. So I'm going to show you an example of a trade that we took today in the Discord. All of my VIP students took this trade. We all made fucking bank off of this today. So this is essentially the trade we took today. I'll mark this out for you, right? We made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, what comes after those higher lows? Remember, we have a fair value gap. What's at those higher lows? Points of liquidity. So if you remember before, right? Higher high, higher low, fair value gap, liquidity. What do we want to see in this area right here? What is absolutely crucial to see right there? Well, we have our higher time frame fair value gap. What's next? We have to see our sweep of liquidity. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. As you could see, this is the 1 hour time frame. We mark everything out on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, the 30 minute, and the 15 minute. But the higher the time frame, the more significant. So let's see if there was a 4 hour gap as well, if my charts would load. So there was no 4 hour, there was a 1 hour, of course. Let's drop it to the 30 minute. You see how the 30 minute now overlaps with the 1 hour? Let's see if we have a 15 minute. Would you look at that? All the time frames align. So what's going to happen is we're going to drop down to the 5 minute time frame. Now, this is incredibly crucial to the strategy. The reason why this strategy is so incredibly strong is because we don't take a trade unless, of course, we're following higher time frame direction. As you can see, we were bullish. We're following direction, and we have to have a higher time frame gap at one of those higher lows, right? This right here, my good friend, is that higher low. So why is this strategy so strong? Because when we sweep out this higher low and we're following the long-term trend, right? We're in an uptrend here. When we sweep out this low right here, now remember that filter I'm talking about. We are not taking a trade until we sweep this out. Now, what's going to keep us in the game for longer and not take any unnecessary losses is our 13 EMA. So we're going to play this out and we're going to see what happens once liquidity is swept. So you can see that we now swept liquidity. This right here following market structure is going to be our new higher low. We're sweeping out liquidity looking left. This is now going to be low of day if we do this one thing. What is this one thing, you may ask? It's a voluminous breakout of the 13 EMA. This right here is 910, 920. Okay. Now, we understand that we need volatility for our strategy. So this setup right here occurred at 925. This candle started forming at 925 and closed at 930. Now, this is incredibly risky, some may say, but understand this. When you understand market structure as a whole, you're sweeping liquidity inside of a higher time frame gap. This is why this model is so incredibly strong, and not a lot of traders use this, to be honest. You know, I'm probably one of the only ones. I kind of just came across the 13 EMA breakout. So what happens here, bro? You put your entry at the close of this 5-minute candle. You put your stop loss below the entry candle. And what's our take profit? Our take profit is 1-to-1. Now, before I play this out, understand we're following higher time frame direction. We have a sweep of liquidity at that new higher low that's inside of our higher time frame gap. Now, we have an aggressive displacement of the 13 EMA. This is the criteria for the liquidity flow model. This is the only time you are taking a trade. If all of these confluences don't occur, you're not taking a trade. It's not happening. And that's why we have such an incredibly high win rate, is because now we're able to filter out all the bullshit and we're able to only take A+ liquidity flow model setups. And this hit literally in fucking one candle. 1-to-1, 15 funded accounts, 15 grand right in my fucking pocket. This strategy is incredibly strong and it's incredibly simple as well. And if you're struggling as a trader and you need some type of extra confirmation to be able to take a trade, well, you know what? Just try the 13 EMA. I know it sounds crazy. Try the 13 EMA. Start taking breakouts on the 5-minute time frame, because the 5-minute is much more significant than the 1-minute. Some may say, oh, well, I like taking 1-minute IFVGs. Well, you're also on the 1-minute, and there's a lot of noise on the 1-minute. This 5-minute displacement after the sweep of liquidity, finding a new low of day and finding a new higher low, this 5-minute displacement at 930 is telling me the market is ready to rip. Okay? Now, if you look at the rest of the day, oh my goodness, that's playing out mad slow. We did run a little bit, but we kind of chopped around. Just know at the time I'm making this video, it is April 1st of 2026. You know, we're having a lot of conflict in the world, and markets are chopping around. They're highly volatile, but they're chopping a lot. There's a lot of indecision. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of greed going on. 1-to-1s is all you fucking need with a high win rate. The likelihood of you getting stopped out break even is incredibly slim. We have a high win rate, so you're going to be consistently winning. Now, if you want to learn this model from me, I'll leave a link in the description. I have a 7-day free trial to my VIP mentorship. You can watch me take trades live. We do live calls Monday through Friday, starting at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. And we do weekly webinars to review the week, and we do Q&As to really solidify everything that we've learned through the week and that we've gone through. And this model is really great for the psychology, right? Because when you're winning a lot, you're able to take some risk off of the table. You're able to win consistently, and you're not thinking in the back of your head, oh, you know, I don't know the next time I'm going to win a trade, the next time I'm going to hit that 3, 4, 5, 6 R. No, you don't have to worry about that. We win very often. You just have to understand when to utilize this strategy. It's very important, and this is the strategy that I'm going to use for the rest of my life. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. Really helps me out. And yeah, keep getting at it. Keep getting better. 1% better every single day. Never quit day trading, man. Do not become a part of that statistic. All right? You guys have a blessed one. Peace.